Bayville got a brand new boost with real-time data from buoys in the Chesapeake Bay. New features have been added to the Bayquest and Baylab interactives. Bayquest begins with an invitation to explore organisms and habitats in the Chesapeake Bay. Let's get started. Your task is to search for the items on your list. See all of the buoys by clicking on the arrow at the top of the map. When you click on a buoy, a table of live data from the bay will appear. Enter a habitat to search for items on your to-do list. Use the camera to take pictures of each item on your to-do list. When you take a photo, a question will appear. When all of the organisms on your to-do list have been found, you can submit a final report, or continue exploring the bay to find more organisms. Thank you for taking a quick tour of Bayquest. Now see what's new on Baylab. Baylab begins with a research question. You will answer this by conducting experiments, gathering and analyzing data, and reaching scientific conclusions. 2 tanks appear showing optimal conditions in the bay. Your task is to find a range in which creatures can survive. A web tool allows you to conduct experiments, check the conditions of the bay, and find information about factors affecting the survival of organisms in the bay. View the data table to start your experiment. In the lab, you will change the conditions of the water in the tanks. You are given the appropriate instrument to measure changes in water conditions. Now, click Advance 5 days. Evaluate the results of your experiments and record conditions. Click on a buoy to view the latest data available from the bay. View current data from live buoys and compare the buoy data with the data from your experiments. Now you can decide if the organism you have tested is likely to survive in that habitat. You can view results for several different organisms. Click Next to see a summary of all the data you have gathered from the experiments and buoys. Select an area where bay reintroduction is most likely to succeed. At the end of the interactive, you can choose a place to introduce organisms and summarize the findings. Now you're ready to begin your full adventure through the bay.